here. My name is Emily. This is my style channel, and welcome back for those of you who are not new. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. So today's video is going to be a super duper fun one. I've been seeing a lot of videos on people kind of flipping grocery store cakes into wedding cakes. So I wanted to put my own little twist to it and just see if I can make a wedding cake, period. I'm just using regular cake making boxes. I'm not like making the batter myself or anything like that. I don't bake, so let's see if I can even get to the cake, like making even a cake at all. But I wanted to try a wedding cake in specific because I wanted to style it. I like the styling part, not the cooking part. But yeah, so I have some Pillsbury white cake mix. And then I also tried this one. This one seemed different, so I don't know. I got this one. You can see. And then I just have some icing, cream cheese icing, and regular icing. I don't know. We'll see what I can do with it. I have my pans. I have my frosting smoother and some, what are these things called? Decorating tips and bags. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this, but hopefully I will be able to. And I'm excited to see how it comes out. So let's get into the video. I just put my apron on, and I'm actually glad I'm getting to use this today because I actually don't even use an apron when I cook. So this is going to be exciting. First time wearing my apron. Should I take my rings off? Yes. I hope the baking community accepts me for trying. So yeah, let me see. Should I preheat the oven too while I'm doing everything? Yeah, let me do that. 350. Okay, preheating the oven to 350. Let's get into it. So I have these two different cake mixes. I'm gonna use them both. Let's see. So, okay, so recipe calls for 1/2 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. Let's get the recipe going. Let's get the ingredients out. Excited. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients. I have the eggs, the water, and my oil. I'm kind of nervous, but never baked a cake before or cupcakes. First bake, kind of nervous. Alright, so now that I mixed my batter, I'm going to grease the pans, flour them so the cake doesn't stick, and then we're gonna pour in our batter. So let's grease and flour. Okay, I greased and floured my pans, both of my pans. So now let's get to pouring and finally get this thing to bake because the sun's going down and I want to start decorating this stuff already. so let me show you what my cake looks like. All right. This is the 8-inch pan. I guess I poured too much of the batter in, so it overflowed, so that's cool, but wait, there's more. This is what the chunky one looks like. I don't even have words. It looks like a loaf of bread, honestly. So that's my cake. Yikes. I'm wondering if I just chop off the top, if that'll do anything. I'm just in shock, like I'm at a loss of words, so. Now you believe me? It's the first time I'm baking a cake. This is why I don't bake. All right, let's try and get to decorating, I guess. Okay, so this part right here fell off in the pan. So I'm going to try and get it together with this icing, and hopefully that'll work to solve that problem. I fixed the problem, so now I'm gonna flip this onto the other cake that I have, and I'm gonna like glue them with the icing. So first I'm gonna put the icing down, and then I'm gonna flip this cake onto the other piece. Actual Lord, like, look at that. It's a complete mess. I don't even know if I can save it at this point. I'm gonna try my hardest, but let's see how it comes out. Oh my gosh. This is just, I'm an embarrassment to the baking community. I am so sorry. Yikes. Okay, let me try and see if I can even fix this. What a disaster. Truly, what a disaster. I thought I could save it. No, I'm gonna continue decorating it just for like shits and giggles, but wow. Baking is very hard, so round of applause to all the bakers out there, because wow. Look. This is my cake. Oh my god. Look. I'm not sure why I insist on like trying to save it. It's not going to be saved, but I'm going to continue decorating it because at this point it's just for fun, because clearly I can't bake. Bake a cake. So I'm just gonna keep going because it's dead. So just watch me decorate. Yikes. Or don't. I will not be offended. Okay. As if it wasn't bad enough that this cake is like barely edible, I'm going to put some more inedible things in this cake, and I'm going to style it with these faux flowers and leaves because at this point I'm really just showing off because oh my gosh, look. This is my my rustic cake. Don't you love it? Oh my gosh, I stuck little flowers. Sorry, this is my laundry right here. I stuck little flowers everywhere the cake was falling. And so this is what it looks like. It's a parade of flowers. That's how you know like half the cake is falling. And then this is the other side. And I have these little pearl things to decorate with. But at this point, it's like, why bother, you know? Because it's like, this is a joke. So yeah, this is my amazing wedding cake. Please do not hire me for any of your baking needs. And don't invite me to your wedding if you followed this tutorial. So beautiful, wow. I just thought it was gonna be so easy. I really thought that this was gonna be so easy. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like the easiest thing ever. But I guess you have to be talented to be a baker, and I'm just not that. So yeah, this is my cake. I'm gonna eat it because it tastes pretty good. I tasted the chunks that were falling and the chunks that I cut off, and it's actually pretty good, but it doesn't look good. So yeah. This is the worst. I'm still beside myself. Like, I thought this was gonna be so easy. This is literally the worst cake I've ever seen in my life. It really is the worst cake I've ever seen. I feel bad for it, you know? Like, oh my god, I feel so bad for it. Wow. Alright guys, I guess I'm not a baker. I'll stick to fashion. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry for you for watching this video if you stuck it out this long, and I promise that I'll never bake a cake again. I can promise you that I will never try and bake a cake again. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like this video if my cake sucks, and comment how pretty it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ridiculous videos like this. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.